We are back with another EngineLabs giveaway presented by Summit Racing. This time it's going to be a 7.3 Godzilla twin turbo engine. You're not going to want to miss out on this. We're going to tear it down, build it up on the PRI show floor just like last time. And we're giving it away. So don't miss out. Make sure you sign up. It's simple, it's free.
So Late Model Engines teamed up with EngineLabs magazine and some of the best manufacturers in the industry to put together a twin turbo combination for the Godzilla that's going to put out a little over 1,000 horsepower. We can make more, but that's our goal, just to have a nice, super reliable power plant that some lucky winner is going to put into their swapped hot rod. Incredibly excited about this project. It's going to give us the opportunity to do a little bit more testing than we've done to date, and even develop more products as we see this twin turbo combination come together. Our primary focus day in and day out is to stay up with the newest technology and create products that solve issues. Late Model Engines is most known for our LS and LT engines, but when Ford came out with the Godzilla, we were super excited due to its versatility and the fact that it can replace a lot of the other pushrod engines that are currently used in Ford performance vehicles. The versatility of this engine and its support by Ford for the aftermarket led us to jump on board with modifying and building these engines to be used in the latest hot rods that are out on the street and the track. Some of the things that we like about this engine is, again, its versatility, its packaging, the fact that it has a pushrod valve train is great for guys that are used to working on more of an old school engine but want big power. Some of the things that are going to be a little bit of a challenge with this platform is the oil pan and oil pump design. In functionality, it works well, but for packaging and versatility, there's some challenges there. So we're working on a couple things that can help with that when doing engine swaps, which a lot of guys are doing, obviously. A couple of things that we really like about the Godzilla is its sheer size, cubic inches. You know, with a 4.220 stock bore and 3.976 stock stroke, it's a huge engine, 445 cubic inches, 7.3 liters. You know, just as a starting point is a great platform, big engine to make a ton of torque and power on the streets. You know, that coupled with future stroker combinations that we're already working on, this thing's going to be a complete beast, and we're sure to put up big numbers. Boosted, of course, but even naturally aspirated, I think guys are going to be you know, in that 900 plus horsepower range real quick. The first step on this engine giveaway process is to dyno the engine naturally aspirated and run this thing just in a bone stock configuration and see how much horsepower and torque it makes, check out the RPM range, and just baseline this particular crate engine. Next step, we're going to take it apart, do our machine work to it, balance blueprint the engine, again using some of the top names in the industry, their components. We're manufacturing a couple components for the job as well. It's going to have our CNC ported cylinder heads and valve covers in particular. And then we're going to build that at PRI in front of everybody. So if you're there, stop on by. We'd love to say hello. Once that's accomplished, we're going to come back home to Houston, put this up on the dyno with the twin turbos, make a bunch of pulls, see what we can do for power and torque, and then I guess by that point a lucky winner will be drawn from the giveaway, and they'll be informed of their new prize.